Welcome everyone back to the Mass Production and channel, your go-to source for insights into large-scale manufacturing processes and industrial production. In today's video, I will take you to the largest paper cup manufacturing factory in South Korea, with a daily production capacity of millions of paper cups. Paper cups play an important role in modern society by providing a convenient and sustainable option for drinking on the go. They are widely used in cafes, restaurants, and events, providing a practical solution to single-use needs, reducing the risk of spillage and contamination. Unlike plastic cups, paper cups are biodegradable and recyclable, making them an environmentally friendly alternative when disposed of properly. So, how are they produced? Let's find out together. Let's go. At the PNC Paper Cup Manufacturing Factory, workers use forklifts to bring large rolls of paper weighing hundreds of kilograms into the warehouse. These papers have been carefully sorted by the factory and are specially designated for paper cup production. Next, the rolls of paper are brought to an area with a large machine. This machine helps to spread the paper into multiple layers for the following production steps. The rolls of paper, weighing hundreds of kilograms, are lifted onto the machine with the help of a high-capacity lifting machine, making it easier for the workers to handle them. After removing a few outer layers of paper, the pristine roll is prepared for the next step in the process. Next, the paper roll is unrolled with the help of a large machine, which lifts the roll to the required height. The sheets of paper begin their journey, passing through conveyor belts, and quickly reach a printing station where designs and logos are printed according to the customer's specifications. Through a long journey, the paper rolls across multiple conveyor belts at a speed of 120 kilometers per hour, allowing the printed designs to dry quickly. Afterward, the paper is rolled up again onto another conveyor belt. The printed sheets are quickly rolled up once they reach the required size and weight specified by the factory. After that, the workers will move the paper rolls to the next area for the following step. Watching the worker roll the paper effortlessly and smoothly is due to his experience and skill. We should definitely not attempt to replicate his actions. The paper rolls are then moved to another machine, where this step is handled by an experienced worker. He carefully places the paper roll and arranges it in the correct position. Every action requires precision and attention to detail from the worker. After mounting the paper roll onto the conveyor, the worker proceeds to connect the paper roll to the stamping section. Next, the machine is started, and the paper roll gradually moves along. As the paper passes through the conveyor belts set up by the worker, it quickly reaches the stamping section. The mold, shaped like a cup blank, operates at a speed of 100 sheets per minute. The stamped cup-shaped sheets are neatly arranged for the next step in the process. With fast and precise stamping, each paper roll weighing hundreds of kilograms takes only 20 minutes to complete. The leftover paper will be recycled in a separate process. The stacks of paper are then arranged on a large tray, which can hold over 100,000 stamped sheets, weighing roughly the same as a pizza delivery car. Each stack of paper, with uniform dimensions, when arranged together, gives a sense of perfection and satisfaction. In the next step, the stacks of paper are moved to automatic cup stacking machines. Before the stacking process begins, workers spray the stacks with steam to prevent the sheets from sticking together. These machines are designed by engineers to fold and shape the paper into a cup. Each operation of this machine takes only 0.5 seconds to form the shape of a cup. After the cup shape is folded, the next step is to form the bottom of the cup. This process is carried out simultaneously with a smaller paper roll. Once the machine stamps out the correctly sized circular shapes, it proceeds to join the two parts together. The bottoms of the cups are sequentially attached to the cup body. After this step, the next process is to securely bond the bottom to the cup body, ensuring a precise connection without any errors, down to the second. Each completed cup is then lifted by high-power suction tubes. The dense network of pipes is designed to transport the cups to the area for the next step in the process. After the paper cups are brought to the central area, another machine automatically calculates the measurements and counts them in batches of 30 cups at a time. The paper cups are then passed through a quality control conveyor, where the worker checks them one last time before they proceed to the packaging stage. The stacks of paper cups are then arranged and packed. A pre-prepared packaging film is used, and as the stack of cups is pushed forward, a high-temperature sealer clamps them together, sealing the package. The cups are then moved to a conveyor belt, which quickly transports them to the stage where the required packaging quantity is arranged. At the end of the conveyor, a cardboard box is waiting to receive them. Once the required quantity for each box is arranged, the cardboard boxes containing the paper cups are sealed with adhesive tape. The process is carried out slowly and steadily, ensuring that no issues arise during the handling. The cardboard boxes are then transported down the conveyor, where an automatic robot arranges them into batches of 50 boxes. Afterward, they are wrapped in a thin plastic film. This is also the final packaging stage in the production process. All steps are fully automated with machines, and due to the large volume, manual labor would be very dangerous for the workers' safety. With the high demand for paper cups, they offer a convenient solution that does not harm the environment. As a result, the factory receives large orders from restaurant owners, cafes, and eateries. With the production of hundreds of millions of paper cups each year, the paper cup factory has created jobs for thousands of workers, with large-scale production operations. With millions of tons of paper harvested annually, paper cups are now produced in many countries, using materials entirely from nature. Paper cups represent a turning point for humanity, contributing to less harmful waste. They completely biodegrade in a very short period of time. That was the mass production process of paper cups. If you found the video helpful and valuable, don't forget to give my channel a like and subscribe. It helps motivate me to create more valuable videos in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.